Hey, it's Jack here. Today we're coming to you from Area 15, which is in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to be checking out the Omega Mart. Omega Mart is a Meow Wolf exhibit. Let's go inside, check it out. This is Mecha 9, dedicated to Iron Giant, R2-D2, and C-3PO, Data, Bender, Johnny 5, and a bunch of other robots. Looks like a giant robot laying on the cement. This is to the entranceway to Area 15. This big dragon over here called El Scorcho. Got a good title. It's called In Every Lifetime I Will Find You. 2 chrome bodies embracing. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. In we go. This giant skull greets you when you come in. We are inside the Omega Mart, and first thing we see is personalized bleach. Yes, everybody needs their personalized bleach can. And some real cool names are on the bleach bottles that are personalized. And here you've got some dragon arteries from Mythic Farms. Leprechaun kidneys. Ogre flesh, party style ocean salad loaf, beef peels, pork chop. The names on these are awesome. Tessellated fruit cocktail. Mammoth chunks, omnipotence, antimatter. What's going on?
Just ask the people of 7 mile religions about God's end frames for him when it feels for transports to the top of rock. If you want to eat a simple meal without getting a pork zombie, try it along with the morning drink. Added best is brainwashing.
Healthy Wolf and Little Meow. Milk with 2 L's. We got our Orange Awakening. And oh my God, what's going on here? Silt. And oh my gosh. We warped again. Do not climb. We've got Camel's Meat Substitute, Camel's Meal Substitute, Implied Chicken, Fashion Beef, Hints of Husk, Implied Chicken, and a neat little sculpture to go with it. In the deli section we have Tattoo Chicken. So good. Birth of Venus Party Platter. And Cephaloaf. They've got the romantic steak cakes. Oh, so yummy. Nebula loaves. We've got the Scream Ghost. And looks like the Mona Lisa. Corn of Plenty. Surreal. Oh, this is what everybody needs for their clothes. Done. No time for it. You're done. 12-ounce box. Goes for $7.99. Dark detergent. Vanta. Makes darks 700 times darker. We got Ego Echo Mirror Glass Cleaner because you are exceptional. $404 Beauty. Get your 404 air right here. Mitosis. 300 likes. Body wash enriched with science. Here's called Wake Up Please. Liquid Death. Omega Cola. Pure Fantasy Delight. Apples.
Literally, I'm gonna get some nuts from my avocado.
These guys are making noise. There we go. And if you want your own apple, you can take them home with you. Throughout the exhibit, pardon our dust as the cleaners are melting down. Something for the sign of the times. Deletes 99% of spyware. It's 404 cleaner. Nut-free salted peanuts. In other words, it's 100% salt. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around Meow Wolf's Omega Mart. Had a great time here at Area 15 today. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.